Make Equal is a non-profit foundation that supports the public and private sector in becoming more equal and inclusive organizations. Inclusion is a very big part of Make Equal's work, both what we do internally but also externally. When we come to a workplace, for instance, it's really important to recognize that some people within the group might be really comfortable with speaking out loud, speaking in front of a big group, and some people will be more comfortable in speaking in smaller groups, so maybe sending their answers through Mentimeter more anonymously. For a group to be able to participate on equal terms and to be able to say what they think, it's important to have various ways of them to express their opinion. It's important to recognize that this work for equality is a continuous process that we have to keep on striving to create more equal and inclusive organizations and find ways of improving and develop in this area. Mentimeter helps us create organizational change, since you can use it to gather thoughts and you can gather different perspectives.